Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Vikhar, consultant pain physician at Alleviate Pain and Spine Center, Bangalore. Osteoarthritis, muscle injuries, ligament injuries are very common at any age group. We at Alleviate are doing pain medicine and regenerative medicine. Regenerative medicine, PRP and prolotherapy are very important. These are very important in healing and in reversing the degenerative changes which can happen. PRP is platelet-rich plasma. As you all know, blood contains red cells, white cells and platelets. These platelets help in blood clotting and in healing. How do they heal? Basically, platelets are the first to arrive at the area of injury. They are very rich in growth factors like platelet-derived growth factor and transforming growth factors, and multiple other growth factors are also present. So basically, when the patient comes to our clinic, we do a thorough history taking and examination. Examination also includes ultrasound examination. If, for example, if I take off a shoulder, if there is any shoulder injury to the patient, we do a thorough examination of the rotator cuffs and the tendon. Basically, tendon is the area where a muscle comes and attaches to the bone. At that area, if there is any tear, especially any partial tear, what is the thickness of the tear and where exactly it is present, we rule out that with a detailed examination. After this, a few blood tests can be asked for, like CBC, which will check what is the level of platelets, and also you can do a bleeding profile, which will include your bleeding time, your clotting time, PT-INR. In history, the most vital thing which is there is if the patient is on any antiplatelet medicine. If the patient any heart or cardiac problem, they will be put on an antiplatelet medication. These medications will be destroying the platelets, and knowledge about what the patient is taking is important for us. Also, few medicines which a patient takes for pain are also the antiplatelet. They can destroy the platelets. These all information we will be collecting in history taking. Once these things are there in our hand, the process goes like the patient is taken, changed over, and a good vein is selected, and just like how we draw blood normally, we draw close to 25 to 30 ml of blood from the patient. The needle is just a small test. It's just like any other blood investigation. Normally, the commonest question which arises is that the blood too much which is drawn, 25 to 30 ml. Absolutely not. The blood which we use usually for blood transfusion which we draw is close to 350 to 400 ml, and we are actually drawing 1/10 of that only. So after drawing 25 to 30 ml of blood, we put it into a centrifuge cartridge which is sterile, because sterility is the most important thing at our Alleviate which we do. All the procedures are done only at the procedure room. The procedure room is very sterile. We change over, the patient changes over, and all the aseptic precautions are maintained, so that because we are going and injecting this PRP into the joints, into ligaments, tendons, wherever the partial tear is there, or else directed needles under CM or ultrasound guidance into the area of pain. If the patient is suffering from arthritis, for example, earlier grades of arthritis are treated wonderfully. We at Alleviate are treating the earlier grades like grade 1, grade 2, even grade 3, for example, for knee arthritis. We are treating it with these needles only. As we are doing the procedure with very thin needles, the pain will hardly be there. The patient is not supposed to take any other medication other than the ones advised by us. We at Alleviate concentrate on multidisciplinary approach to pain. We have nutritionists, we have physiotherapists. Exercise and nutrition form a very important aspect. The patient can undergo 2 to 3 sittings depending on the grading of the arthritis or the tear. The most beautiful thing about PRP is it has no side effects, because we are extracting the PRP from the patient's own body, and also because we are doing the procedure in a sterile environment like a procedure room. There are no chances, or significantly low chances, of any infections. If you have any doubts or any queries regarding pain management and regenerative medicine, contact us, call us, or even better, pay us a visit. Thank you.